Your local library is here for you, connecting you to ideas and information, to your community, and to the joy of discovery. So, what keeps it all going? Your property taxes help pay for services in your community. These are called levies. One of these is the library levy, and it's Sno-Isle Libraries' main source of funding. Every several years, voters get to decide whether to reset the levy rate. This is called restoring the levy. The last time voters did this was 2018, and a lot has changed since then. Remember how much cheaper a carton of eggs or a loaf of bread was 8 years ago? That's also true at the library. From laptops and printers to eBooks, audiobooks, and, of course, books, things cost more now. Our community is growing too. Lots more people are using the library today, and we think that's great. But library funding hasn't kept up with increased costs and community needs. Every year, the library levy is only allowed to grow by 1%, no matter how much total property taxes grow. Because of this, the library levy rate tends to fall. And today, the 2018 library levy is at the end of its life. That's why, this August, voters will decide whether to restore the library levy again. If the levy restoration is rejected, our libraries will look very different. But if the levy restoration is approved, Sno-Isle Libraries will be able to continue offering the services your community counts on. Learn more about this decision at sno-isle.org/levy. And remember to vote by August 4th.